Hi guys, we received this Fristfei Shilajit from Himalayans. It contains fulvic acid and humic acid, and it's a dietary supplement. I received for reviewing purposes, and I have listened a lot of this on for social media, and I've heard it's really nice. So let's test it. It comes in a nice package, and it's up to 60 servings per container. It includes this little spoon, like a travel bag, the instruction manuals. Okay, it says that you can mix it in this little glass. I prepared some tea actually, and I'm gonna use it. And it is said that this dietary supplement you can take it on in the morning with an empty stomach with lukewarm water. So I decided to make it with tea, and before you go to sleep, also you can use it on sublingual. So I'm gonna open it. It's kind of like a gel, which is really nice. Here it is. Doesn't smell like anything, like this black gel. And you're supposed to use the spoon and get one spoonful. Okay, it's a weird texture to it. I'm gonna take everything from this part as much as I can get. And spoon in here. That. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna mix it well so it's all dissolved. There is. I didn't use a cup that it comes included, but it's really nice. I've already had my glass tea ready here, so I'm gonna place it back. I'm gonna wash this spoon. Just wash it. Still hot. I'm gonna give it a few minutes so it is not hot and wash it. I've already washed the spoon. So here in the instruction manual comes what is shilajit, and it says that it's a natural organic substance primarily formed by the decomposition and compression of plants and other organic matter in rocks. It is commonly regarded as a natural mineral deposit found in the cracks of rock, particularly in the mountain regions such as the Himalayas and Altai Mountains in Asia. Okay, so now I'm waiting for it to cool down a bit. It looks exactly like black coffee. So you cannot detect it, which is weird. I mean, it changed the entire color of my tea, but when I sip out of it, I don't sense it. So it's nice. In here in the cautions, it still tells us to keep it out of reach of children. It's not for individuals under 18 years of age, and you need to not exceed the stated recommended daily dose, which are the 2 spoons. And it's really nice. It comes very well packaged. So I will recommend it. It doesn't change the flavor of your beverage or anything, and it's a dietary supplement. Okay, so